Welcome to this new English communication lesson.
Hello. Could you please take me to the central train station?
Of course. Hop in. Do you have a preferred route, or should I take the fastest one?
The fastest one, please. I'm in a bit of a hurry.
No problem. We'll be there in about 20 minutes, depending on the traffic.
Great, thank you. By the way, how much will the fare be approximately?
It should be around $15 to $20, depending on the traffic and the exact distance.
That's fine. How's your day been so far?
It's been good, thank you. Been busy with a lot of passengers today. How about you?
I've had a hectic day, traveling for work.
I can imagine. Traveling can be quite exhausting. Do you travel often for work?
Yes, quite a bit. But it's always nice to meet new people and see new places.
That's true. Traveling does have its perks. We're almost there, just a few more minutes.
Perfect timing. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Here we are, Central Train Station.
Thank you so much. How much is the fare?
That'll be $18.
All right. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a safe trip.
Thanks again. Have a good day.
Hello everyone. Let's play a game. Weather theme. How to play. We will play 3 different types of games. First, you will guess an object based on the characteristics that will be told in the question. Second, you will guess a nature of an object shown in the question, and you will be given multiple choices. Third, you will guess a word from an object. You will be given an incomplete word as clue. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question number 1. Heavy rain for a long time can cause. The answer is heavy rains for a long time can cause flooding. Question number 2. The following words are related to weather. Except A. Bright, B. Overcast, C. Tree, D. Cloudy. The answer is tree. Question number 3. Guess the word. S, then N, empty box. Then W. The answer is snow. Thank you for playing. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.